Alright, here we go. This is voice test number 3. I've done 2 so far, and they both suck dick. Like huge, monstrous, like, can't even fit in the screen, gigantic penises. Okay? There's something that this app is doing, Virtual Dub. It's trying to combine the video and audio, and it's sucking the aforementioned cocks at it. Like, it's fucking horrible. My voice in the last test steadily went from normal pitch, this, hopefully, the playback, fucking who knows, all the way up until I was a fucking chipmunk at the end of the video. Yeah. I can't upload to YouTube like that. It's stupid. Alright. Now this is audio test, voice test, number 4. I dropped the first 2 because they're complete trash. The third one seemed decent, so I'm simply recording this one to see if it was a fluke. This app has a lot of timing features to try to fix the audio when the video doesn't record smoothly, to try to attempt to keep it synced. But in effect, it actually just makes it way worse, like 1,000 times worse. The pitch just kept changing. Like, I literally thought that was me. I thought, because you don't hear, most people, at least, I think some people do, but most people don't actually hear what other people hear. When you talk, it sounds different to you because of all the resonations through your head and shit like that, as opposed to somebody, a third person, third party, listening to your voice. It doesn't sound the same. So for a moment there, I thought, wow, I sound like a complete and total douche. But apparently, luckily, it was just fucking up, and I don't really sound that bad. I mean, I sound horrible, but I don't sound like a chipmunk. It's like, I thought my voice was like way up here. Like, I'm Jeff Beckmer. Yeah. But anyways. This is going on way too long. How about a vocal test range? I know this microphone sucks ass, so it doesn't have any of the depth it's supposed to. Ha-ha! That's going to sound terrible. I mean, again, I probably don't have a very good voice, but at least if I had a good microphone, it would have a very natural feeling to it, as opposed to this tinny radio bullshit. Anyways, that's Merceus signing off.
I was gonna just stop it, but I can't. I don't know where the fuck to stop it. I can press escape. I should have known that. No, I shouldn't have. Why the fuck would it be escape? It doesn't make any sense whatsoever. Usually it's like on media players, if you're gonna pause and keep going with playback, it's spacebar. Usually. So why would it be escape? I mean, escape cancels some things, but... Alright, so this is the second setting. Apparently my microphone has 2 settings, because it's actually one of the shotgun microphones that you stick on a camera. I just bought it because it looked like the best microphone they had at Micro Center. Considering I know nothing about microphones, though, I'm sure everybody's like, no, you're stupid, why would you do that? The camera can boost the audio levels for you. You're an idiot, John. What the fuck? But I switch it to, it's got it's got a distance like ratio on it, so it's got like a close and a far away, or at least that's what the icons look like. So I would hope that on this new distant setting, that what it actually does is just increase the power of the volume of the recording. Because this microphone actually has a battery in it. I don't know what it is with expensive like pieces of audio equipment having batteries in them. Like my headphones, I bought those stupidly expensive Bose headphones, and they sound great. I love them, but they take batteries for some reason when they could just have like a second cable that you plug into your USB port or something, or at least have that as an option. Because they even went another way to make the thing detachable so you could swap it out. I don't know. Anyways, so this microphone has a battery in it, so I assume it's got its own built-in amplifier based on the setting you put. So this is the far setting, again, assuming I'm reading this correctly. So hopefully the audio levels are better. Penis. Is that coming good? No? Is that funny? I don't know. I got jokes somewhere around here. I'm eating now because I'm that big of a jackass that I'm just going to record video and eat. No, these aren't for anybody anyways. This is just for my own testing purposes. But I'll probably show them to people and they'll be like, what the fuck is he? Is he eating crackers? What is that, a Lunchable? Yeah, it's a Lunchable. I like crackers. Mmm. That's right, I'm backed by Lunchables. I wish. That would assume that I'm good enough for them to even worry about. Look, I'm drinking a Monster. I notice I don't look at the camera that much. I look at the display of myself on my monitor. Anyways, back to the audio levels. This is back on the original setting, the close distance. Because as far as I could tell, all the other setting did was add more static. I don't know what the fuck you would do that for. Of course, like I said, this is also designed to be attached to a camera. So, or at least I think it is. It had pictures of a camera on the box. And the only reason I bought it was because I thought it was the best camera, but I could see that it was like they showed the attachment in the see-through part of the package. So I knew that it was 1/8" audio, that's what it was. Like I knew that I was buying the appropriate equipment, that it would work on my PC. But yeah, it's still really quiet. So, of course, I haven't actually gotten any software for editing videos yet. I just pop the microphone because I know this microphone is not good enough to handle that very well. Because I did some other audio recording, like in Audacity. I was just recording some random shit, and I didn't actually pop my P's. Somehow I managed to pop H's. Like I was like, and it was all over the fucking place. Like you just see it's like the normal, blah, 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 and it was like, and then Audacity was like, what the fuck is happening? Yeah. Can I get some techno music while I do that? I probably look like a complete fucking idiot, but who cares? What the hell am I doing with my life? Yes. This is good. Love me some crap. So apparently I'm going to have to eat my words like so many crackers, because I just actually compared two files recorded with the different settings on my microphone, and I thought it was just, I thought all it was more static, but clearly when I compared the two like immediately, it was obvious that it was in fact a little bit louder, not a whole lot, but it was a little bit louder with the far setting on my microphone. So yes, I do believe I was reading that correctly. It is based on distance. It is amplifying it more if you choose the far setting, and that's just what I'm gonna have to go with. And no, unfortunately, it doesn't really make it a whole lot louder. So maybe I'll have to do some like post-processing something or other to, in whatever I use to do the final editing. Jeez. I'll probably have to increase the audio levels. I was hoping to, because it's going up on YouTube, anybody can watch it, and I wouldn't be surprised if my mom watches it or something like that. And I love me some cursing. I mean, anybody who's around me for any amount of time knows that I curse literally every 5 words or so when I'm talking about anything that's pissing me off, or a thing to talk about. Except apparently in this video, I think I've said piss and nothing. And apparently I can't clear my throat either. That's going to be horrible if I'm actually recording real videos and I'm just like, blah, 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 blah. Hopefully that won't happen. But, yeah, so this microphone is stupidly quiet. See how many chins I can get. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. Because I was hoping that, because I curse so much, that I would, and just for, honestly, because I think it's funnier, would be to bleep myself and do one of those little like beep, 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 like X's or the word censor or something, or beep, or I don't know. The funniest, and I still remember it, that's how funny it is. The funniest episode of it's saliva bubble juice. The funniest episode of Animaniacs, because I used to watch that quite a bit as a kid, like before school and stuff, was the one where Dot is trying to like say her name. Her name, for anybody who's familiar with, or not familiar with Animaniacs, her name is stupidly long. It's like 20 words or something like that. And the other two are like, you know, I'm Yakko, and I'm Yakko, and then she's like, I'm Princess something, 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 and she gets like most of the way through it and then keeps messing it up. And so they make her start cursing, but of course they bleep it out because it's a children's animation, but it was literally the funniest moment in cartoons for the longest time in my life that I had ever seen. And it's really one of the only things I remember from that show still, because it was so hilarious that it just stuck with me this entire time. And I think bleeping curses is funnier than actually hearing them. Like, if it was something serious, leave the curses in, obviously. But for comedic effect, bleeping is hilarious. At least it is to me. Obviously, it's going to vary between people. But f*** you, this is my channel. Or at least it's going to be my channel. This is a test video. This may go up on my channel later. If I'm like, oh my god, I got 5 subscribers. I should do something special. Yes. I will do something special for 5 subscribers. Because I don't expect to get any. Like, even my family. Like, I have more than 5 people in my family. And they're going to be like, what the fuck? Why would I watch that? John's an idiot. I wouldn't watch that. Yeah. Anyways, so the entire point of this whole rant was just to say that I was wrong about the microphone. I don't know why it took me so long to say that, but it did. Hello, everybody. I hope you enjoyed that. That was just me ranting, testing out my audio and stuff like that. But anyways, Happy New Year, and thank you for watching.